Hey there, I'm going to share a review on this little scale. And so I picked this up because I do a lot of sourdough baking and there's a lot of gram measurements, but I've also been making simmer pots and I needed like a quarter of an ounce to finish making like a simmer pot mixture, and my scale wasn't cutting it. So some features that I liked about this one, of course, is that you have the grams, you have the pounds, you have the ounces, and you also have milliliters. So that's handy. Your on-off button to reset it, really easy. And then the nice part about cleaning it is you just twist the top and it comes off, and you can wipe this clean without worrying about getting any water or, residue on here. It did come with batteries, so it takes 2 AAA batteries and you just pop those in here. I did have to peel off the little blue paper, but let's go ahead and test out a quarter of an ounce. So I zeroed it out with my bowl on there. Oops, we got it on milliliters, grams, ounces. Perfect. I have 0.23 ounces of star anise seeds in there for my simmer pot. That's going to make it so much easier for making up some of my different mixtures.